In a previous video, we showed you how to use the Twilio API for WhatsApp to send text messages to WhatsApp users. In this video, we'll show you how to send multimedia messages including images, video, and audio. You'll need to have set up your Twilio sandbox for WhatsApp, so check the previous video for how to do that. We'll start in the terminal where I'll create a new directory for my project. I'm going to call it WhatsApp Media Messages, pick a name that works for you, and then we'll change directories into that new project folder. Next, I'll initialize an npm project by running npm init yes. Then we'll use npm to install the Twilio helper library for Node. Next, I'll create a file called index.js and open this folder in a text editor. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, but feel free to use whatever you want. Next, we'll require the Twilio helper library node module, and we'll use it to create a Twilio REST client object. This is going to take two parameters. You're going to need your Twilio account SID and your Twilio auth token. I'm pulling mine from environment variables here, but you could hardcode them here if you want as well. Next, we'll use the REST client to create a message object by calling client.messages.create. The first parameter here is a from phone number. This is going to be a WhatsApp phone number that corresponds to the Twilio WhatsApp sandbox. Make sure you put the correct sandbox number here. The next parameter is the to phone number. This is going to be another WhatsApp phone number that represents the one you want to send to. I'm going to use my phone number, which I'll pull out of an environment variable so as to not show it on screen. Then I'll set a body for the message that will be ahoy from Twilio. And then the thing that makes this special is the media URL. Here you want to provide an image URL, a video URL, or an audio URL. Whatever you provide here, just make sure that this URL returns the actual media object when Twilio requests it. If the message sends successfully, then we'll complete the promise by logging out the message SID so that we know that it was successful. Just in case there's an error, we'll have a catch clause here, and we'll use the console.error to log out the error message. Taking one last look at the code, you can see we've used the REST client to create a message with the from and to being WhatsApp numbers and a media URL for an image. Give the file a save and head into the integrated terminal and run node index.js and pull out your phone and you should receive an image inside of WhatsApp. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider clicking the subscribe button over on the left. If you want to watch another video, I picked one out just for you in the top right, and if you're looking for the code, there's a button in the bottom right for that. Until next time, I'm out of here.